We're going to China. Yeah. Very impromptu trip to China. We're going to Guangzhou. That's where one of my uncles live. Yeah, we're just gonna go visit him. We don't know what the hell we're doing. I don't even know where we're going. I'm just following Dad. So, yeah, I guess I'll see you in China. Hey kids, so we're in the subway and train station right now, in between Hong Kong and China. So the cool thing right here is, you see this river? This side is Hong Kong. That right there is China. Yes, for those who thought Hong Kong was in China, no, Hong Kong is officially its own republic. Hey kids, so right now we are in Guangzhou. We're just in this, what is this called? Bin Bin Plaza, okay. We were just in Bin Bin Plaza shopping, doing a little, you know, research to see where's cheaper, which Louis Vuitton looks more real. Not that I would buy anything ever fake, ever. But yeah, say hi! It's my cousin, he's our tour guide for today. Yeah. Yeah, we were just there, Bin Bin Plaza. Fun. Open, someone's trying to tell us to go somewhere. Alright. Street music is so interesting. So we just had dinner with the fam jam. Everybody came down. Look, there's my aunt and my other aunt and the baby right there. Cousin. There's my uncle on the motorcycle. Yes, I have an uncle who rides a motorcycle. He was teaching me how to ride it, and I have battle scars from it. I officially have the coolest family in history.